Hi, and welcome back to the Get to Know Cheetah Hail series. And today we are going to be talking about how to make our accounts bookable. If you're an expert at something, this is how you are going to set up your account to be getting ready to be booked by the learners who are on the platform. So I'll go straight up to signing in. So I'll go sign in and let me sign in with Google. So I'll use my Google account to sign in. All right, Alvin, say 1256. All accounts I'm using are basically demo accounts. So if I'm signing to my Google account, Cheetah Hill can use those details to sign me in. All right, so I'm signed in, fresh account, brand new, don't have anything in here, and I'm just using this account for demo purposes. It will get deleted after. So once you're in, this is what you're going to be looking at. Become a tutor. This is the button that you are looking out for. So once you click on become a tutor, you are going to fill in this information over here such that you can then get approved as an expert so you can start getting bookings. All right. This will help you get booked as an expert. This will help you set up your group classes. This will also help you set up your courses because we're launching those soon. Yeah, basically you get to you get to interact as an expert once you do this part. So uh, set up a username. I want in USA 1256. All right. My email is already set in there. I need to verify my phone number. So once you put in a phone number, you are going to get a verification code that comes out to you. You put in the verification code and then you get verified. So I'll put in my verification code. Your phone number can get verified for whichever country it is. Then you put in your date of birth, your gender, and location. Then you go on to the next part. So it's asking me for another name. Okay. So go on over to the next one. You add your bank details. So basically, these are just to make sure you can get paid when you are when after doing your gig or your tutoring. So I'll just say 23456. Again, like I said, this is just demo content. Alvin, bank name, SSSS, 7 continue. So what is your professional background? So what do you come off as? Are you a professor? You're a doctor? Well, whichever one you want to use. So let's say senior software engineer. Tell us about yourself. So something like, well, give a description of yourself. So there you go. That's my description, my years of experience, 8 years, higher education, get a PhD, your specialization, again, let's say software engineering. Yeah, you can choose to use UTC to help the time difference coordination when people are booking you. So save and go to the next one. Say, please add at least one specialization. Oh, then press enter. Key. So once you add the specialization, please press enter. Okay, so it can be registered in. So saving and going to the next one. So once there, add your educational background. So you got this one is for work experience. So that could be like your CV, so title, let's say Full stack developer, full stack dev, employment type, let's say full-time, company, Cheetah Hale. Got math started over in February, let's say a long time ago, 2024. Or you could basically as well say, I'm currently working here, if that's where you're working at that moment. So I'm currently working here, so I don't need to put in all those other details. Location, Dover, USA, Delaware. Location type, on-site. Description, describe your responsibilities. I do A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And once that's done, if I have a document to show that this is where I'm working, this could be my my ID, so I could put that in there. Else, I go to the next part. Now I need to put in my education. So what do I have? Say PhD, institution, whichever university you went to. So university, graduation year, let's say 2016. Or if it's an ongoing course, you can still select ongoing course and then upload your degree certificate. Now, these are really important that you put in these documents because these have to be verified, all right, and for your acceptance, okay? So you can as well add your teaching license. That's if you are in education, you've got a teaching license, so you can add that. If you are not, let's say you're an engineer, whichever registration bureau that you are affiliated to, you could add that. Then you add your background check, which is the certificate of good conduct. Attach that, attach your resume, your professional references, and professional certificates. Then continue to the next one. Now, this part is really important. So your teaching categories. So select categories. What are you teaching? Let's say I'm teaching course subjects. Okay. I could be teaching course subjects. I could be teaching some vocationals and perhaps some life skills, some business, maybe startup as well, and engineering. Okay. So here you go. Now, select your subjects. Now, because of the categories you've selected, you'll be seeing a large amount of subjects because of the categories you've selected up above. So let's say data engineering, software engineering. I got computer science. So I got engineering economics, as well engineering maths. So quite a number of them. Now select all those that you want added. Oh yeah, so all those that you want added, and straight up select also the grades that you will be teaching. So I'll be teaching college students and adults. And select your currency, United States USD. So select your hourly rate. So could be 20, let's say per hour. That's what I'll be getting paid. Availability, I'm available from 9 to 5 p.m. Okay. So teaching language, English, curriculum. I select my curriculums. So I might put other, and probably also put who are doing Cambridge and IB and American curriculum. My teaching styles, I'm all around. So I got visual, auditory, reading, or I could just say integrated approach. Okay, so save and continue. Now, you see what just happened? So once you are done with this, your whole profile changes and new features are added on. You've got a new dashboard, you've got promo codes, you've got my classes, and right here is saying waiting for status approval. Okay, now you can see your information over here, what you'll be teaching, the grades you'll be teaching, your availability, your professional details, your experience, your education, And this will as well be visible to the other people who are going to be hiring your expertise for learning purposes. Now, once you get approved on the system after the verification process, this waiting for status approval will change. All right. So you'll be available for booking. And that's how you do it. So next, what we shall be looking at, we shall be looking at how you get booked. So what does the user see if they're trying to book you? And also we shall be looking at how you create your group classes in case you want to set up a group class that people can start getting onboarded on for your teaching. Thank you and see you in the next one.